To achieve physical health, you need to maintain a proper balance of body chemistry and nutrition. The health of your swimming pool also depends on proper balance, the balance of your water chemistry. We've broken down the process of balancing your pool water into 4 steps: preparing your pool, determining your pool's volume, testing your pool water, and finally balancing your water. This video will cover how to prepare your pool. You want to begin by checking the level of the water, making sure it's at least halfway up the mouth of the skimmer. Then clear out any debris from the skimmer and pump baskets. Next, turn on your pool pump and make sure that it's running properly. This is important because you can't get an accurate reading of your pool water chemistry if the water is stagnant. If you have a variable speed pump, crank it up to high. Missing this step can cause you to get inaccurate readings. That in turn can result in faulty chemical adjustments, which can cause a host of other problems. And when collecting a water sample, be sure to do it away from a pool inlet and down about an elbow depth. Do not take the sample from the surface.